Hello and welcome to Craft Drawer. Just in time for the holidays, I wanted to share a few ideas for some great kitchen gifts for family and friends. These are inexpensive items that they can use every day. All of these items are available on Amazon, and you can find each one of them through the links below. We love the Bella Flip & Store Belgian Waffle Maker. The Bella Flip & Store Waffle Maker delivers 7-inch, 1.5-inch thick Belgian waffles right in your kitchen, with all the classic flavors you love that are ready in just minutes. Plus, with its innovative hinge design, it flips 180 degrees for perfectly even heating, then stands upright for compact storage, saving up to 50% more space in your kitchen. Next is the Stand Mixer 6-quart kitchen mixer with LED Smart Touchscreen. This kitchen mixer is perfect for kneading dough, whipping cream, mixing batter, and stirring ingredients. Even beginners can master baking like a pro. The top-mounted control panel means no more bending down, just tap and go. From kneading bread for breakfast to whipping cream for cakes, every step is faster, easier, and more enjoyable. Another great gift is the Ninja BL660 Professional Compact Smoothie and Food Processing Blender. It has a powerful 1100-watt motor for ice crushing and smooth blending. Crush ice to snow in seconds and blend tough ingredients with ease, perfect for smoothies, frozen drinks, sauces, and more. Blend directly in 16-ounce to-go cups, pop on the spout lids, and take your smoothies or shakes with you anywhere. For the cook in the family, check out the Kasari 9-in-1 TurboBlaze air fryer. Enjoy the same crispy fries as traditional deep frying with up to 95% less oil. Enjoy all your favorite fried foods without the guilt. The KitchenAid Asteroid Oven Mitt Set comes in 13 different colors to match your kitchen. Made of 100% durable, heat-resistant cotton, these oven mitts will help shield your hands from heat up to 302 degrees Fahrenheit. Textured, heart-shaped silicone grips ensure a more secure hold when handling hot cookware. Next, we have the Freshware Wood Cutting Board. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Medium 12-inch x 9-inch wood fiber cutting board, wooden natural color, juice groove, non-slip silicone feet, dual-sided cutting surface. If you are looking for a crafted wood cutting board that is extremely safe to use, this one is perfect. BPA-free, dishwasher safe, this wood cutting boards provide a clean food prep surface for every meal. The Utopia Kitchen Cast Iron Skillets 3-piece set. Chef's Pan is a great cast iron skillet that distributes heat evenly across the surface for perfect cooking results. Ideal for searing, sautéing, frying, baking, and more. This cast iron cookware is suitable for use on stovetops, ovens, grills, and even campfires, offering unmatched versatility for indoor and outdoor cooking. Comes pre-seasoned with vegetable oil to enhance the non-stick performance and deliver authentic flavors right out of the box. Is an ideal cooking gift for men and women who like to cook. You can find these items and more in the links below. Be sure to check the holiday shop for more stocking stuffers and gift ideas for everyone on your list. I hope you enjoyed our quick list of kitchen items ideas for Christmas. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.